You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. This is an adjective that comes from the word mycorrhizal, and yep, if you want to make sure that's how it's pronounced, I've got a video for you. If you want to know more medical terms, stay tuned. Mycorrhizal, as in a mycorrhizal fungus, for example. Mycorrhizal is the correct pronunciation in English. How to pronounce mycorrhizal, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.